Are you excited?
Yes, very. Do you like this hotel?
Yes, it's perfect. Are you tired?
A little. Want some coffee?
Yes, please. Is the room comfortable?
Yes, super comfy. Shall we go to the beach?
Yes, let's go. Do you like the view?
It's beautiful. Are you hungry?
Yes, a bit. What do you want to eat?
Maybe pasta. Want to try seafood?
Sure, why not? Is the weather nice?
Very nice. Should we take photos?
Yes, lots of photos. Do you want ice cream?
Yes, chocolate. Want to walk by the ocean?
Yes, let's walk. Are you enjoying this trip?
So much. Can we watch sunset?
Of course. Do you like the sunset?
It's magical. Should we swim now?
Yes, let's go. Is the water cold?
A little.
Want a towel?
Yes, thanks. Want to relax?
Yes, with you. Shall we order dinner?
Yes, I'm ready. Do you want dessert?
Yes, cake please. Want to go shopping?
Yes, sure. Do you like this dress?
It's cute. Want to buy souvenirs?
Yes, for family. Should we rent a bike?
That's fun. Are you comfortable?
Yes, very. Want to explore more?
Yes, let's explore. Is this place romantic?
Very romantic. Want to try boat ride?
Yes, I want to. Are you scared of water?
Not with you. Should we eat outside?
Yes, let's do it. Want to try new food?
I'm ready. Do you like this music?
It's lovely. Want to dance?
Yes, with you. Are you cold?
A little.
Want my jacket?
Yes, thanks. Should we rest now?
Yes, good idea. Did you enjoy today?
A lot. Want to plan tomorrow?
Yes, let's plan. Should we visit the island?
Yes, sounds fun. Are you happy?
Very happy. Want to take a selfie?
Yes, come close. Is this your best trip?
Yes, with you. Want to watch a movie?
Sure. Do you want popcorn?
Yes, please.
Are you sleepy?
Not yet. Want a night walk?
Yes, let's go. Love this honeymoon?
I love it, and I love you.